buddies! It's me, Titi! Today we are going to make an origami star box. Ooh, those are so cool! We can put lots of fun things in those. This project is so quick and simple. All you need is a square piece of origami paper. Let's begin! Take your paper and turn it so that the wrong side is on top. Now fold it in half horizontally. Make sure the edges match up and then press down firmly to make a nice crease. Open it back up again. Turn it 90 degrees and fold it in half horizontally one more time. Open it up, and now we're going to fold it in half on the diagonal. Line up the corners and press down. Fold it in half diagonally once more. Open it up again. Doing good so far. Now, take the bottom edge and fold it in half horizontally along this line that we made. Take the bottom right corner and fold it up so that this edge meets the center line, forming a triangle. Press down. Now, turn it over and do the same thing. Take the bottom right corner and bring it up, creating a triangle. Now, as you can see here, when you look in the inside, we have a flap here, and a little pocket in the middle. Let's open up the pocket. Pull it down like this, along the center folds, and you'll see that it naturally forms a square shape. Very good. Now on the sides of our square, you'll see two flaps here and two flaps here. Take the top flap of one side and fold it in so that this outside edge meets the center line. Press down. Do the same thing on the other side. Very nice. Let's flip it over and repeat. I love making origami. I think it's so cool that you can make things just by folding a flat piece of paper. Excellent. Now let's take the top edge of our kite shape here. We'll take the top corner and fold it down right above this line. Press it down and then open it up again. Turn it over and repeat. Now, let's take one of our flaps here, and if you open it up, you'll see we have another pocket going on. Carefully press open your pocket so that this line matches up with this line. Press it down, and you'll see we made a little triangle here. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Open up your pocket and press it down, matching up this line with this line here. Excellent. Let's turn it over and do the same thing here. And one more time. Fantastic job so far. Now let's take one of these outer edges, fold it down, right along this line here. Let's do that on the other side too. Take this flap and fold it down along this line. it to the back, and you guessed it, repeat. Now it's time to open up our box. These parts here will become the arms of our box. Gently pull them apart slightly. Just a little bit like that. Now if you turn it upside down, you'll see there's a square that's trying to form here. Let's help that square form, because this part will become the bottom of our box. Just gently open it up and fold along these lines to encourage the square to take shape. Very good. And now we have the bottom of our box. Let's place that on the table. And now the last step is to fold down these arm flaps. As you do that, you'll notice your box will start to get sturdier. And there you have it. Our star box is complete. Check it out. Look at this cool origami star box we made. There are so many fun things you can do with this box. Here are some examples. I filled these with some snacks, with some office supplies, with some jewelry, some necklaces, and more snacks. Can never have too many snacks. These boxes are great. You can keep them on your desk, on your nightstand, wherever you want. They also make great gifts for your friends and family too. Well, looks like we're done here for today. I'll see you guys again soon. And happy creating!